CMC Aluna Motorhome. The CMC Aluna Motorhome stands as a true icon of Italian artistry and engineering in the world of luxury recreational vehicles. Representing the perfect blend of design innovation and traditional craftsmanship, the Aluna brings together decades of expertise, creativity, and passion from the skilled artisans at CMC. Each vehicle is built by hand in Italy, reflecting the country's deep-rooted commitment to beauty, precision, and excellence. From the sleek exterior to the elegantly detailed interiors, the Aluna showcases a balance of innovation, comfort, and sophistication that sets it apart from any conventional motorhome. What truly defines the Aluna is its attention to individuality and customization. CMC believes that every customer deserves a unique experience, and for that reason, every Aluna is tailored according to the owner's personal vision. From the selection of materials, fabrics, and color palettes to the integration of smart systems and interior configurations, every element is designed to reflect the client's lifestyle. The handcrafted furniture, ambient lighting, and premium finishes create a living space that feels both luxurious and personal, a true home on wheels. Beyond its aesthetics, CMC has taken great strides in ensuring that the Aluna remains environmentally responsible without compromising on performance or comfort. Through the development of innovative technical solutions, the company has succeeded in minimizing environmental impact by improving energy efficiency, optimizing aerodynamics, and enhancing the quality of sustainable materials used throughout the build. This approach not only promotes eco-conscious travel but also guarantees long-term reliability and durability, ensuring that every journey is as smooth as it is stylish. Designed to conform to European standards, the Aluna motorhome is perfectly proportioned, boasting balanced dimensions and a well-thought-out layout. Its design ensures superior road stability, efficient weight distribution, and ease of maneuverability, essential qualities for both urban drives and scenic countryside adventures. The spacious interiors feature state-of-the-art amenities, including a fully equipped kitchen, comfortable sleeping quarters, modern bathroom facilities, and smart connectivity options for an elevated travel experience. Ultimately, the CMC Aluna motorhome is far more than just a luxury vehicle, it's a celebration of Italian excellence. Every curve, seam, and finish reflects the passion of the craftsmen who bring it to life. With its refined elegance, intelligent design, and sustainable innovation, the Aluna